welcome back to my channel, My Hobby House. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a simple animal costume for your kids. This is very easy and quick. You just need to spend 10 minutes to do this. So this is a cow costume. For this, you need a white full sleeve t-shirt and a white pant. Then you need some black patches like this. You can cut this from black chart paper. Then, using a stapler, I just pinned those black patches onto the shirt and pant. While wearing this costume for your kid, make sure you wear another t-shirt and pant inside so that the kid will be safe from the pins. I used stapler pins because my daughter needs to wear just for 5 minutes for a photo. And again, it's very easy to remove. If your kid needs to wear it for a long time or need it for the school, then you can make these black patches using a black cloth, and you can stick those black patches to the dress using a glue so that it will be nice and strong and doesn't come off easily. Please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Then comes the cow mask. Cut a circle from a white chart paper and stick 1 or 2 black patches. For the mouth area, you can either paint or stick pink color paper. Make 2 holes for the eyes. Then make 2 horns and ears. Then make a strap on the back side by measuring your kid's head size. For the tail, I just cut a strip of black chart paper and tied some strands of woolen thread at the end. That's it. Your DIY cow costume is ready.
I am a cow. I eat grass and give milk to everyone. And I live in a shed.
What animal you are?
A herbivore.
Herbivore animal. Very good.
Hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.